boy in here, aka Miko_Dagger. Go follow me at Instagram, link in the description. And today we're gonna be doing the crunchy review, or chocolate review basically. So we're just gonna taste these 4 different types of chocolates and see how good, rate them 1 to 10. And this is, what did I say? That's my brother. It's my brother.
Yes. My name's Angel, by the way.
Angel. I can't open this. Oh, no, this is it. We're starting off with Twix. You get one and I get one. Wait, that's wrong. Yours is right and mine goes. You're left.
Bruh.
It shows, because it says right on this one and it says left on that one. So, you know what I'm saying? That's enough. Got the Twix. It's 10 out of 10.
I mean, 1 out of 10, I would say probably like a 8.5, only because you gave me the left one, so. But really good.
It's very crunchy.
Very crunchy. I can taste all the milk chocolate in it. It tastes really like a left Twix bar than a right. But yeah, ladies and gentlemen,
My bad, my bad, that was too funny. Which one? Pick one.
alright, let's try the Snickers. I'm gonna go with this next. So from what I hear about Snickers, there's peanuts in it. Very shocking.
Whew. My face is red.
Are you okay?
I'm good.
It's because you had a right bar of Twix. Alright.
Yeah.
Here's your Snickers.
Thank you.
Alright. Very fun size as well.
My bad, guys. This is see, everything don't gotta be too big. That's why it's fun size.
Just like him. There's a height
I'm not
limit
fun
required
size. I'm not
for different sizes of Snickers, and obviously we went with his height. So
Oh, really?
this is the opening of the Snickers. Here is a 1 out of 10 review right now.
It's 10 out of 10. Very crunchy. Really crunchy.
It tastes like a fun size Snickers. You know? Very fun sizing. Anything else you have to say on it?
I'm still chewing.
So if you prefer a milk chocolate with, you know, some peanuts inside, I would grab a Snickers. A fun size one with only 40.
Calories?
Sure, why not? 40 calories.
10 out of 10 on that one. What do you give it?
I would say a 9. Which one do you want to do next?
This is my favorite. This was like as red as my face the last time. This was 100 gram. I was kidding. It's 100 grain, I think.
It's 100 grams.
Damn.
Please help us support this
Grain,
child for
see?
trying to learn how to read 100 grams. He's actually going on Google to make sure it is spelled 100 gram. So there's that.
100 grain. Nestles. It says 100 gram.
So this is chewy caramel and milk chocolate and crispy crunchies. I don't know if you guys can read that.
It's also fun size. Fun size is the best.
Yeah, we're on a budget here to support Miklo's height.
I'm glad I'm not tall. I ain't gonna hit my head when
Yeah,
I'm
we're
walking
saving a
around.
lot of money that way.
Oh, really?
This is the inside right here. Trying to cover my face with this fun size.
You can tell this is very crunchy because look at the top. It's like eczema on top of it.
He might just say acne, but he said eczema.
I mean, acne. What am I saying?
I mean, you can say eczema as well, I guess.
Very bomb. Oh, very bomb. 1 out of 10 though. Oh, no, 10 out of 10.
No, I'm gonna go with like a 6 out of 10.
No, I don't know what's wrong with you.
Well, I'm being Gordon Ramsay right now with chocolate, so there's that. The chocolate just doesn't taste as chocolatey as I want it to.
But y'all don't say that.
All right.
It's nice, very nice.
Open
On to the next one.
Mm-hmm.
So last but not least, we have a Butterfinger fun size as well. As you guys know, we're on a budget here. All right.
I'm still chewing.
You really like that last one? All right.
Butterfinger, I really don't like them.
Bias against Butterfinger.
Butterfinger.
Nobody better lay a finger on my Butterfinger.
Ooh. My bad, guys. Too much chocolate.
All right. So here we are.
It's called
Last.
Butterfinger.
Fun size. Here we go.
The other half of my Butterfinger is missing. It is. See, somebody bit it. I'm suing you, Butterfinger.
It was just kidding.
I was just kidding. JK, by the way, aka Fresh who? Fresh me. I don't know, guys. I don't know. I'm just gonna get a bite. It's 2 out of 10. Lucky I didn't give it a 1.
I'll give this a solid 7.
What?
7 out of 10.
I know you're lying.
I don't mind Butterfinger.
My Instagram is gonna be down below, guys. Remember, down below. Wanna link anything of yours?
Think I'm fine?
Alright, but I hope you guys get the video to 100 likes. Don't forget to make sure to share this video to all your friends and family. Like, comment.
Subscribe.
Till next time, peace.